That's what they wanted. If you'd offered the manager a win at kick-off time, he had taken it, no questions asked. It's all about results.
I think it's always a fair result, Clive. There's been absolutely nothing between them during this match.
It's been a match that Andy and I will be talking about all the way home. Hope you enjoyed it too. Andy, thanks for your opinions today. We'll see you again for your team's next important match.